Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the alarm icon, looks like this, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the alarm menu. And here we can set the alarm clock by tapping on the plus button, set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, and once you're done, tap on the check mark, and here you can select the days on which the alarm should repeat. If you don't select any days, it will go off once and it won't repeat again, but if you select, for example, Monday and Wednesday, the alarm will repeat every Monday and Wednesday. So select the days you like, then tap on the check mark, and here we have our alarm. You can turn it on or off. You can tap on it to customize it if you want to. You can also add another alarm by tapping on the plus button, like this. And you can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, tapping on the pen icon to remove it. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.